Hey, it's Charlie Cheney, and I'm excited to announce the release of version 5 of Indie Band Manager Pro. And we're getting rave reviews about it this week. It's been great. People have been upgrading, and it's been awesome. And I want to show you a couple of the new features. The first one that is kind of most exciting to me is that it's now based on FileMaker Pro 9. And FileMaker Pro 9, is available on pretty much any Staples or whatever, Best Buy. You can buy it online, etc. And it's current. We're in the current version now. It's a major jump. We went from FileMaker Pro 5, which was no longer supported by FileMaker. That's what the last Indie Band Manager version was running in. And now we've upgraded all the way to FileMaker Pro 9. So it's just been this major jump. And getting current like this gives us the ability to do multi-user access, simultaneous multi-user access in your office. Multiple computers can access the files simultaneously now. So I've made these multi-user on and multi-user off buttons here in the administration screen, and they're active, and this is really cool. You can even share the files in real time over the internet, providing that you have FileMaker. And it works with FileMaker Pro 9. I believe it will work with FileMaker Pro 8.5 if you have that installed already, but any earlier than that doesn't seem to work very well. And FileMaker 9 is definitely recommended. It feels snappier, it feels faster under 9. So that is just a huge jump and really exciting. And FileMaker 9 also gives us a whole bunch of new abilities to do stuff. And one thing that I've already found out in the first week here is amazing is I've made this button to save a backup data file. And it saves a single file of all your data, and saves it to your hard drive. And you can email it to yourself. You can save it to an external USB thumb drive or whatever. And 2 people have already called me in the first week and have asked if they could revert to a backup, and we've done it, and it's just saved them. So the fact that it saves it automatically every day when you close the file is really a huge step forward, and already has become really valuable. So I'm super excited about that. The backup tool button here to open the backup tool, that's how you can get the data back out again and revert to a backup. So that's revert to a saved backup. So that's real cool. One of the new features we've got now is the ability to export all the data files out to XML format, and also import from XML. And that gives us a whole bunch of possibilities in working with other systems, other websites, iPhones, iCal, exporting to an iCalendar, syncing your calendar to a website. I mean, there's just a tremendous amount of opportunity there that I'm going to continue to work on over the next few months, over the next year, and some other people, some other big players in the industry that I can't announce yet have already told me that they're ready to start integrating with Indie Band Manager. So this is huge. I mean, we have the potential to get into tracking our iTunes sales and stuff online. I mean, it's dramatic. So that's super cool and super exciting. And I've also got some of the other cool new features, the kind of Web 2.0 features that I'm looking forward to here in the My People file in your your contact management area now. This whole section over here on how to reach, where it's got the phone number and the email address and the websites and stuff. Well, that's now been expanded pretty dramatically in that you can put in MySpace pages, so you can link to people's MySpace pages and then go up and leave them a message or whatever, tell them you're playing. You can link to Skype addresses now so that you can open up chats, online chats with people who are on Skype. And one other cool thing here is that all the phone numbers that are in here now can be dialed automatically by Skype. Simply by clicking the little button here to the right of the phone number, you'll see that it'll automatically launch Skype and dial the phone. So that's a new thing that's really pretty amazing. And if you have their Skype address, like mine is Skype, Charlie Cheney is my Skype address, you can click on that and it'll open up Skype and automatically open up a chat with that Skype user. So that's really cool. Another thing, of course, is the MySpace pages. If you have a MySpace page entered, like myspace.com/Charlie Cheney, clicking on that little magic phone button there will bring up that MySpace page, so you can leave a message or listen to their music or whatever it is you want to do on their MySpace page, right? And you'll see that it also works with other websites like Facebook or Twitter, for example, too. So any website that you put in there where you can contact people or be involved in their social networking organizations and stuff. That can all be put in. See, now it's just an unlimited scrolling here. You can put in Twitter, you can put in Facebook, whatever you want. And the Facebook, like for example, the Facebook URLs are just a number at the end, right? Facebook.com, and then the sort of the user ID number, which is also familiar to some of you from MySpace pages. So if you put that Facebook.com/user number, and you click on that magic little phone icon again, it'll bring up the Facebook page, right? So all these things are very exciting new features that have been built into the new Indie Band Manager. I'm super excited about. Another cool thing we've got here, the zip code radius search has now got the ability to do searches not only by zip code radius, but also by the current found set. So you can search within a set that you searched for before. For example, if you'd found all your fans, if you did a search earlier, like if I did a search by college bookings here and found all my college bookings, I found 69 college bookings in my people file here. At that point, if I do a search within that constrained set just by this zip code, and I want to find within 50 miles of that zip code, it'll search. In the past, it always searched for all the records in the whole database, right? So I might find fans and venues and colleges and radio stations and everything. But now it only does it on that current found set of colleges, and it shows me just those 10 colleges within 50 miles of that zip code, in my list, right? So you see it's just colleges that are showing up in my zip code radius search. And if we scroll way over, you can see how many miles they are from that center zip code, right? 10 miles, 15 miles, 22 miles, etc. So that's a cool new feature. And then the one other thing that I'm probably most excited about in a lot of ways, I mean, this backup file thing is just rocking. But this the tutorial now is really cool in that it actually gives you like individual things for each module, kind of, an overview of how to use the system, my people, your personal address book, creating invoices and stuff. But if you click on one of these line items here, like on creating invoices, what it does is it automatically goes to the website, and it loads this tutorial video right off the website and starts playing it for you so that you
Hi, I'm Charlie Cheney. I'm the guy who made Indie Office.
Can learn as you go along, right?
I'll show you how to make invoices.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So you can learn Indie Band Manager here, and Indie Office, as you saw, is also the same thing, basically with a different name, just the same system for a different market. You see how you can do that. The tutorial's got it all right online. You can learn stuff instantly through these little tutorial videos. So that's really cool. Well, I'm going to stop for now. I think there's a few other things. Like in songs, there's the ability now to find rhymes. If you put in a word that you want to rhyme with, for example, you can get rhymes right off of Rhyme Zone now. It'll give you the rhymes for any word that you enter. You see, I put in bat, and it gave me all the rhymes for that, so you can track your lyrics and stuff and help you write your lyrics a little better. That's a cool new thing that I threw in. And there's a bunch of other little things too, but those are the big ones. I just wanted to show them to you. I hope this all helps. I'm super excited. I hope you are too. Talk to you soon.